Are you looking for a modern, cool logo and graphics to represent your brand? Look no further than Mojomox, the ultimate branding platform and logo maker. Mojomox offers a range of fonts, custom logo symbols and mix-and-match letters, making it easy to create the perfect logo for your brand. And best of all, the logo you create on Mojomox will generate an entire brand kit based on your colors and fonts. The Mojomox online graphic design tool is based on professional software, but has been simplified so that even non-designers can use it to create stunning logos. With Mojomox, you can easily create logos, business cards, flyers, posters, and other graphics that match your brand colors and fonts perfectly. Mojomox is the perfect platform for consultants, solopreneurs, and web designers who want to create cool, modern, and on-brand graphics quickly and easily. Take the hassle out of branding and get access to Mojomox today.